Osa Jade Otofini, Osamar Nekeneo. I'm here today to tell our people the meaning of the word Igbo. The name that the entire Igbo speaking people is bearing today, which is Igbo. I'm here to make people understand the meaning of the word Igbo. Now, what is Igbo? Igbo simply means ancient. Igbo, it simply means ancient. If you go to our region, which is Okwane now, and you ask our Okwane people, what do you call your fathers? Your fathers, your ancestors, they will tell you Ndebo. They will tell you that what they call their ancestors is Ndebo. If you go to Anambra, Enugu, Abia, Imo, and you ask them, what do you call your ancestors? They will tell you Ndibo. And that word Ndibo means ancient people in their dialect. In our old dialect in Okwane, ancient people is called as Ndebo. That Nde is to refer to people. Just like we are saying them. We say Ndebo, ancient people. They themselves, they say Ndibo, ancient people, based on our dialects. Igbo nasunununu. Every Igbo speaking people have the tongue that they speak, but it's all Igbo. So that word ancient in Igbo language is called Igbo. We are ancient people. So let our Okwane people start saying we are not Igbo, thinking that Igbo is limited to a few group of people. No. Let our Ikwere people stop saying we are not Igbo people. Our name is Ikwere. We are not Igbo. No. Nsukka people identify as Nsukka, but they are Igbo people. If you want to identify an Okwane person now, if you ask me now, as an Okwane man that I am, who are you? I will tell you, I'm an Igbo man. The next thing they will ask you is, from which region? You say, I'm Igbo man from Okwane region. I'm Igbo man from Ikwere region. I'm Igbo man from Nsukka region. I'm Igbo man from Nri region. I'm an Igbo man from Isu region. That is how to explain yourself. Stop denying that you're not Igbo, because all our ancestors, the whole Bia speaking people, our ancestors are related by ancestry, by migration, name it. So we are Igbo people. Osanye Bundebo. We are one people. Let's stop differentiating ourselves, dividing ourselves. No matter your identity as an Okwane person, you are an Igbo person. Onyebo Kebo. Because our ancestors know who they are. Our ancestors address themselves as Ndebo, Ndibo. That is this name that we bear today, Igbo. So when you hear the word Igbo, just know that it means ancient. Osani Bofu, Osani Bundebo. Igbo Bofu. No matter our Okwane identity, we are Igbos. No matter our Ikwere identity, we are Igbos. No matter our Oba identity, we are Igbos. Ndin chana su Igbo Bofunde. So when you hear the word Igbo, know that Igbo means ancient. Mbenani ndeke na anyị kwute ka ekete ụbọchị ọzọ ka anyị bakuji ife ọzọ anyị ka mụsa isi agwara.